Welcome to SimpleMadeSimple.com. Today we are going to see present perfect tense. There are 4 forms of present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. What is present perfect? An action that has happened before in the past and is continued to the present time is called the present perfect. Always remember for present perfect tense, use has and have. Has for singular and have for plural. Sentences are always formed as positive, negative, and question form. We are going to see all the formulas for present perfect. First one is look at the subject in the sentence. If the subject is singular, means you have to add has and the past participle of the verb. Danced. He has danced, she has danced, and it has danced. Then for plural, put have and danced. You have danced, I have danced, we have danced, they have danced. Then comes our negative form. If the subject is singular, put has not or hasn't and the past participle of the verb. He has not danced and she has not danced. If the subject is plural, means have not. Have not plus danced. I have not danced, you have not, we have not, and they have not. Then the question form, you have to put the word has in the beginning of the sentence, and then the subject comes and then the past tense of the verb. Has he danced, has she danced, or has it danced? Then for plural, you have to say have I danced, have you danced, or have we danced, or have they danced. So for the first one, she is singular, therefore write is the verb. She has written an email to her boss. For I, you have to put have. I have written an email to the boss. For the negative form, he has not written for singular and we have not written for plural subject. And for question form, has he written an email for singular? Have they written an email for plural? So try to frame sentences in the present perfect tense with these verbs given below. So thanks for watching and keep sharing the video.